how did you revise the complete syllabus? A lot of people have been asking this question.
Yeah, I had this pattern where I used to revise everything once. Like if I had done about 2 topics in a month, I would revise it just after that. I wouldn't wait for the whole syllabus to be over so that I would revise it after that. So we had basically in FIITJEE we have these tests called AITS tests, and we have about 2 or 3 of them in a year. So basically what it helps us to do is that we can revise the syllabus that has been covered up to the date that we have the exam.
I did not memorize a lot of formulas. I just memorized few basic formulas. The rest could be derived at the time of the examination, because JEE does not involve a lot of rote memorization of formulas.
Right.
You just need to remember the basic ones so that you can advance further and use them in the questions.
Right.
For them, I used to revise them, re-revise them as much as possible. Like कोई टेस्ट है, उसमें कोई चैप्टर आ रहा है तो उस चैप्टर के फॉर्मूलाज में रिवाइज कर लेता था. Important.
Science is science. Physics, chemistry, maths, biology, these are just boundaries, but actually is science. तो कुछ जो common topics है उसको भाई अगर एक बार पढ़ लिए तो फिजिक्स भी हो गया, केमिस्ट्री भी हो गया. तो वही इंटीग्रेशन, वो लिंक्स, वो एनालॉजी रियल लाइफ के साथ कंपेयर बनाओ.
People have to form connections of what
Yeah,
they
yeah.
already know really well with what they don't know.
Yeah. Form connections, form interrelation, because science is interrelated.
Right.
It's a interdisciplinary subject. Continuously practice करते रहो. Practice के बिना कोई solution नहीं है. घिसते तो it will be smooth once in a life. जो topics weak है उसको बार बार करते रहो. You will get success.
Cool.
As class 11 got completed, as class 12 syllabus got overlapped with them, that is the time when you should start revising class 11 along with studying class 12.
Okay.
As your class 12 syllabus is completed, your 11th revision is also completed side by side. So by the time of October and November of class 12, you have everything in your grip and you can now start giving the all-India test series and everything that are required.
डिपेंड करता था, अगर क्लास है तो पहले तो क्लास ही जाना है, उसके बाद जो वहाँ पर नोट्स वगैरह जो हम बनाते थे उसे रिवाइज़ करना कोशिश करता था, उसी दिन रिवाइज़ करूँ जिससे कि टॉपिक ज़्यादा क्लियर हों.
Before the actual test like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, you have a series named as Pre-JEE Main and Pre-JEE Advanced test series. And through that test series you get to know which concepts are you lagging behind and what are your strengths, so you can adjust your schedule according to that.
Right.
So it's like a great help to you during your last phase of the preparation. The more tests you give, the more you adjust to the exam temperament conditions, and like more of the syllabus you are revising, the more problems you are being exposed to. So it basically gives you a good experience.
Be honest to yourself. मतलब ऐसा नहीं करना है कि मेरे से मैंने ये कर लिया. वो मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को देखा है, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको खुद से ऑनेस्ट रहना है कि मैंने इतना करा है, ये सफिशिएंट है या नहीं. और अगर आपने अपने खुद से ऑनेस्ट रहे और आपने सफिशिएंट काम कर लिया तो आपको मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सक्सेस मिल जाएगी, आपको अच्छी रैंक भी मिल जाएगी.